Hello everyone, Larry with Larry the Computer Guy here. We're an IT managed service provider in Commerce, Michigan. We specialize in cybersecurity and HIPAA compliance. So for today's tech tip, how can a strong password work against you? There are two mistakes that we see with usernames and passwords. Even if they are good, strong ones, the first one is using the same password across multiple sites. The second is using the same email usernames and prefixes across multiple free email services. For example, someone uses Jimmy67Chevy at AOL.com, Jimmy67Chevy at gmail.com, then at yahoo.com, and then at iCloud.com. When you use the same password and the same username across multiple sites, you make it easy for a cybercriminal to compromise multiple accounts of yours. With the first part easy to figure out, they can get access to other online services and data, or even spoof your email address to others. Variety is the spice of life, so make sure you're using unique, strong passwords along with unique usernames or free email accounts. Also, just as bad is using similar passwords that are only slightly different. They are too easy to crack. Please click on the subscribe button, please give us a thumbs up and leave your comments below. Please stay safe out there.